Alright guys, so this is the top finish cap put on. Everything's put on. The valves are loose for adjusting. Everything's loose, everything's on. The screws are on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two are longer. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these, even the intake boot, everything's on. Everything's siding. And this one too, the one on the top. It may be a different head. And also make sure to put the washers in between the oil passage to the head. And the ones at the bottom too. The outer and the inner. Kind of painted everything so it look nice and won't rust. We'll clean everything, the engine and everything, so it look better. But everything's ready. I'm gonna adjust the valves right now. Make sure to put a washer under and up the screw for the passage. Everything's ready. To time it, adjust the valves, put some oil, and hook up everything. The carburetor, put gas, put the harness, regulator, and then test it to see if it works. I have everything so we know indeed it works. The way, this is an overview. This is not a way to tell you how to adjust the valves and everything, but you should know. This is a 5,000s. This is 4,000s with a filler gauge. And this is how it looks after the rebuild. Everything's a new gasket, new gaskets. It'll be clean. I'll clean it out and I'll repainted it and everything. I'll show you a final video, even of firing it up when I fire it up, for you to see it. Right? So please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. And Joey, the bike engine rebuild. Thanks.